What's up, guys? This is Dwight here with Auction Up. I'm at a community yard sale today. I don't plan on being here all day, but you know, this is what I love to do. So, why is the phone so dark? Anyway, so I want to walk around, see what I can find, look for some treasures, anything worth flipping for resale. Yeah, if you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit that like button, and while you're at it, hit that little bell button. Also, I have a Facebook page. You'll see that link in the below, the video in the description. Check out. Go ahead and join the Facebook page and the group and all the other good stuff. All right. Let's see what we can find.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
Pretty good. It's getting warm out.
Getting. All the breeze feels. I swear it was like right at 6 and it was pretty good. It was at 60 and I was in pants and a t-shirt, and then all of a sudden 15 minutes later it was like someone kind of slipped on and turned up the humidity and it was awful.
Yep.
Beep, 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 beep.
Let's see what we got here.
You communicating with somebody there, sir?
Nah, I like recording everything.
Oh, I thought maybe your wife was on the other end and you she spotted something.
I just act like I didn't hear.
When you got ready to open up to overnight, you would give it to him. Well, then he goes out and looks, sleep over the table. That's the stuff. And I'm thinking it was that night that you come over and knocked on our door and said, "Hey, your light inside your Chevy's on." That's the only thing I can figure. Now my son in Alabama has the Chevy. He's supposed to be, what's it called? Lower than that.
Oh, yeah. I know what you mean.
Well, he said he'll have it out on the 45th anniversary. I said, "Bub, that's 3 years. Our 45th anniversary is in no comment on it." So him and the boys two up here are going to get a trailer and we're going down there and check it out. I said the sad part is he could have really used that Chevy because it doesn't sit up as high when he was having all the
One of those two, or there's a second one of those. There's two of these. Did you want the other one? Yeah, you can take it.
Okay. So how much are these?
Let me take care of him real quick, and I'll help you out.
No, it's I don't ever see him.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
I don't know. I don't really
10,
check to see what
11,
anybody's up to.
12, 13, 14, 14, 15. Do you need a bag?
Oh shit! Hold on. Oh, here you go. All right, here. Oh yeah, please.
Emma, can you grab a bag over there, please?
All right.
You have a daughter or something big into?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yep. This one used to be. Now she's into cell phones and friends and everything else, right?
Horrible cat. Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And attitude.
And attitude, exactly. You said
All right, have a good one.